In this video, I will show you how to create 3D models by only using AI. So let's get straight into it. So once you open Blender, we're going to delete every single thing inside it. So select A and then X to delete everything. As you can see, we have nothing inside the outliner. So the AI we're going to be using in this video is going to be ChatGPT, as it is free and you can literally write everything inside it. So quickly go here and open ChatGPT. So you will need a login. It is absolutely free, but you can upgrade it to a professional plan if you want to. But I'm going to be using the free version. So when you are in ChatGPT, you're going to write something like this. Write a Blender script. Now make sure you write this term. Write a Blender script. Now, once you have done that, let's just say like Blender script for creating a apple. Now, I'm gonna tell you this. Blender, whenever ChatGPT and AI are not always accurate, they make some mistakes, and then your desired product that you were waiting for will not come, will not be the same thing you were expecting. So what you should do is that you should never trust ChatGPT and you should make it yourself. But if you're kind of bored and you want to try some tricks and want to save some time, you can just go to ChatGPT, write something like this. So write a Blender script for creating an apple, then you select enter, and then ChatGPT will write its Blender Python script and it will do every single thing. Now it might take some time depending on what type of thing it is. If it's like create a whole scene in Blender, it might take some time, but if it's something small, then you'll see that it's quickly writing everything down like it's your slave, and then at the end it will tell you what it wrote. So the apple body is a U sphere, and then the apple stem is a small cylinder, and materials are red color. So what we're going to do, we're going to copy the code like that, select that. I'm going to go back into Blender. As you can see, we have nothing inside here. So we're going to go select the scripting tab, the scripting workspace over here. Then we're going to select new, and then we're going to paste everything. So Control V if you're in Windows, and Command V if you're in Mac. So then once you have done that, now we're going to select the play button. Then as you can see, we have literally created an apple. It's not the best apple, you can make something better, but as you can see, it's exactly what it said in the description. As you can see down here, apple body is a U sphere, and you can see it's a U sphere. Then apple stem is going to be a small cylinder, and it's a cylinder as well. As you can see, it's a cylinder, and then it's red. As you can see, if we go into the layout mode, you will clearly see it. Now obviously you can make this better, but then you can literally create anything with ChatGPT. But there are some downsides, as sometimes it's not very accurate, sometimes you might go something wrong. So let's create something cool. So let's go into ChatGPT. Let's say write a Blender script for creating a, let's just say creating a Nike logo. Let's just say that. Let's just write that. The shoes sign. That's what ChatGPT says. And then it will write everything. It's going to be using a curve. As you can see, it's going to be using a curve. And then after you have done that, and then so once it has written all the code and it told you what it did, the ChatGPT added a Bezier curve, control points, bevel thickness, and extrusion. Then what you're going to do is going to copy this, same thing, copy. Then we're going to go back into scripting. We're going to delete this one, delete this file, add a new file. Before, I'm going to quickly delete this. So new, and then paste this, and then run. As you can see, this is what I was saying. I knew it was not going to work because Nike logos are very, 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 very complicated. Now that is the downside of AI. So you should not always trust AI. So now the good thing about AI is that it can create simple objects for you, but it cannot create complex. As you can see, it did so much codes and all the Python script, but it didn't make the real desired product. So I just did this on purpose because I knew it's not going to work. So do not always trust AI, but if you want to save some time and you want to quickly create assets, then you can use ChatGPT, and that is literally how you can create models by using AI. So I hope you liked this video, enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in another video.